everyone, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers, everyone that has supported my channel throughout this year and previous years. Thank you so much and Merry Christmas. Today I'm going to share with you my Dollar Tree haul. This is like the last time I will go into Dollar Tree, before Christmas. And I probably won't go back in there until January because it gets too crazy. So I want to share with you some of my finds and maybe you can find them as well. Okay, so first I'm going to start with these gift tags. And I like how they come with the string and you get 20 pieces. You got 4 different designs. And I love those. And I got some more tinsel stems for wrapping up, for creating bows and other utilitarian items. And I got some cute ribbon here. This one says Merry Christmas. Let me come around there. I think I can do a better haul from over here. And here's some ribbon. This is 5/8 inches and it's 44 inches long. So I got some ribbon here. You got this ribbon. It says, have yourself a merry little Christmas. This one has a little country truck, the red truck. This is like red. This is one of my favorites. I get it every year. This is wired edge ribbon. It's 9 feet. It's 2.5 inches wide. I got it in red. And when I find colors like of ribbon and styles that I like, if I see it at Dollar Tree, I'll go on and get it. Even though you don't get a lot, I may not be able to find it at other stores, but I can always find what I like. Smaller quantities, but I can find what I like at Dollar Tree. This is a cute one. It has cute little candy canes and lollipops on it. So I found that. I got 2 more of these little, see, I love baskets. I love bamboo. And so I always like to get a little novelty basket. So got one in green and one in red. These are cute. They're good, just to keep, like around the holidays, keep little stuff in there and it'll add nice decor. Okay, now I was going to do my little white Christmas tree. So I got a lot of these picks here. White. And some come with a little pine cone. And this now, I'm going to show you my the Christmas trees that I purchased from Dollar Tree, from their plus section. So I like to put picks in my trees instead of like ornaments and stuff, because I hate taking those off. But all of this can fill in some of the sparse areas of your tree. So you can I like to find those that have the flower and the the pine. It makes it thicker. Got a bunch of white poinsettias. Because our house is basically white, a lot of white. And in one of the guest rooms, I wanted to put a small tree in there and I was just gonna have it white. Okay, now before they started doing construction and tore down all of our woods, we lived with a lot of deer. So I like deer. So these were the last 2 deer ornaments that they had. Has a little bell on it. These are cute. So we have that. I got 2 wine bottle bags. And it says, do not open until December 25th. And it has the to and from sign tag on there. Got one in buffalo check, black and white, buffalo check, red and black. And I got some of these cutting boards. I think I got like 4 red, 4 white. Only pulled out a couple. I got 2 more of these cups here. These are big. I'm drinking out of one too. Love these cups. And I love putting cocoa bombs in there, making gifts out of them. And I got several of these narrow trays here. Got it in the red lacquer. I already have some of my gifts wrapped up in the other ones, and then I got the black and white buffalo check. I got 4 of those. These are so versatile. You can just do so many things with them. Okay, let's see. And then they had this mustard. You know, if you're doing a small charcuterie board or something, or meat and cheese tray or whatever, they have these mustards, $1.25, the small ones. And cause you'll see those little gourmet ones that are so small for $1.25. Then you can get a name brand mustard that will keep you for longer than like just one event. You can keep it a lot longer. So I like these. So I got a few of these. So you got a cocoa packet. You put it in the cup here. And I got several of these mini peppermint sippers. Now these are cool. I like to give these with, like, you give someone a liquor gift, you give them a small shot of like tequila or whatever, those little liquor bottles. You can pour it in here, you pour your drink in there, and you sip it out of this peppermint cup. And that's cool. So it adds festivities to your liquor gifts. Then of course I got several more of these cocoa bombs. Put them on, like I did a video, you just put it on here, you fill the cup up full of candy, you put your cocoa bomb on there, wrap it up in cello wrap, put a bow on it, great gift. And then I found these beautiful pillowcases here. And you see that picture right there? This is what it looks like. So this one is the Baked Fresh Daily Gingerbread Baking Company. And the quality of these pillowcases are so nice. So I already have my decor out for this year, but next year I'll be putting some pillows in these. And then I got this other one with the red truck, Farm Fresh. And that's what it looks like. Got that. Okay, and then I purchased 2 of these 4-foot Christmas trees. And they're $5. You get them from the plus section. See, I got one there. Put that one. I got 2. I got one last year and I love it because I'm no longer in need of a big Christmas tree like I used to have, where it took up an entire closet and I had to get hubby to bring it down and lug it down, bring it back up. So this is something that I can just easily handle. And you know, you can take it to your office, at work. If you're like an administrative assistant and your boss gives you some money to spruce up the office for Christmas, these are make good little office. These are good in guest rooms. If you want to have your kids' rooms, those are just $5. And then this is a cute little plaid tree skirt that I got to go under. have to go under these 5-foot trees. This was $5. Okay. Okay guys, so this is how I do those little 4-foot Christmas trees. This is how I'm decorating it this year. I'm just putting it on by my fireplace, and that is the Christmas tree for me this year. I got the skirt, that was $1, got that last year. And then I just filled it in with those poinsettias. I got red, and in the hall you saw where I had a bunch of white. That's what I'm gonna do with the white tree. And then I put a bow, got that from Dollar Tree as well. And I just put the bow on top of there, and that's how, you know, you can rock that little 4-foot tree. And I had these poinsettias for years, and so, you know, it didn't go into the budget when I bought the Christmas trees. Like, I had them like stored away, and I'm like, I'm going to use these this year. So when I found this tree last year, I'm like, I just stuck them in there, and I'm like, we liked it so much, I'm doing the same design this year. Okay, family, it's been such a joy bringing you content this year. I want to thank you so much for all of your support in 2022. I will be back in 2023, and I would love for you to share with me any type of content you would like to see from me, from the channel. And yeah, so that's everything. I want to wish you and your family a Merry Christmas. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like if you like this video. If you like my vibe, hit subscribe, join the tribe. And yes, that's everything. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye, Mom. These are so cute.